Hey, in front of me is Motorola Moto G72 and today I would like to show you how you can install and then apply iOS launcher on this Motorola. You need to begin by opening Play Store and tapping on the search bar. Now type in iOS launcher. Finally, get this free app from this developer and when it's ready, click on Open. Then wait for the pop-ups to show. When they do, in order to use iOS launcher properly, you need to choose while using the app and allow in all of them. Then swipe up from the bottom of your screen and tap on the Home button. Then you need to click on Settings. Finally, tap on Apps section over here, click on Default Apps and access Home app. Now apply iOS launcher by tapping on it and choosing Got It in the pop-up. As you can see, after that, app layout was applied successfully on my device. If you wish to, you can always switch between your layouts by going into exactly the same settings and tapping on Moto app or iOS launcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!